Hello document creators. In today's video, we will explore how to adjust margins in Google Docs. Whether you're formatting an essay, a report, or any other document, understanding margins is essential. Let's dive in. 1. Using Page Setup, open your document in Google Docs, click on File in the menu at the top, choose Page Setup from the drop-down. In the Page Setup box, you'll see options for top, bottom, left, and right margins. Enter the desired measurements, in inches, for each margin. Click OK to apply the changes. 2. Using the ruler, if you don't see the ruler at the top of your document, enable it by clicking View Show Ruler in Google Docs menu bar, to adjust left and right margins. Hover your cursor over the gray area on the ruler and drag it. For top and bottom margins, use the ruler's gray area on the left and right sides, vertical ruler. Your changes are saved automatically, and there you have it. You've successfully customized your document's margins in Google Docs. Happy writing!